There's many people in all the streams now trying to bring the heart back in to Judaism. We have a good head and we got a little lost in it, maybe. And it's really important to bring that heart in again. And that devotion, every mitzvah is supposed to be an act of devotion. You know, I remember once I was at the Bobover Rebbe, one of the great Hasidic sects in Brooklyn, for Sukkot. He spent 20 minutes benching lulav. And his whole being, it was like the lulav was alive, and his whole being was lifting it up to God and shaking it and moving in a different direction. And it was so powerful and so full of devotion and love. And I said, wow, that's what this mitzvah is really supposed to be. And making it a living experience where God becomes real. True ritual brings God alive. And that's really its purpose.